Hi, Rose here. I haven't done a radar image video for quite a while, and just looking around today to see what was going on, I just happened to catch this interesting area in Iowa going into Wisconsin, and this particular loop is going a little fast, probably to show you what I want to show you, so I will slow it down. As I pause to slow it down, you get to see some really interesting square, straight edge patterns forming here. And squares. There's some more. Let's see if I can back it up so we can get those. There you go. Looks like a video game character. Anyway, that's one thing I had meant to show you. Obviously, this is a curve. That's the edge of a radar signature. And we have some odd shaped gaps in our radar here. Again, probably just missing data, but it's interesting nevertheless. So I'll let this play through. This is taken at, well, it's 3:43 my time. So this loop runs through about a half hour before, or an hour before. So I'll take it frame by frame. And what I really kind of thought was interesting is as it goes through. Notice this straight line here, which is probably out of a radar station. I didn't take the time to go look and see. You have that form, and then you have some interesting squares form, and then you have the beginnings. Watch this area right here, which begins to form into a ring. It's even more defined here as a ring. And it loses some definition and kind of fades away. I'll go back a couple frames again, and you can see some interesting. I'll go over in this area now, and what the radar shows, how the precipitation falls and is changing. Again, it should be, this is the edge of a radar line here. And we've got a very straight edge on that storm, which is kind of odd. But I said this is the edge of a radar signature because you can also see it kind of coming around over here. A little ticking you here is my puppy coming in while I'm trying to record. So those are just kind of all odd little signatures. You know, they probably don't mean anything, but I like to keep an eye on the sky, what's going on. I guess this one here hadn't caught before when I was watching, but that's kind of an interesting little signature, I'll call it. What I don't understand, I'm not a meteorologist, but I've been watching weather for many years, and was as a child thought I might become a meteorologist, but didn't. Bring this back as far as I'll go. Watch how, now we have a radar station that's obviously picking up this batch, and this is probably at the edge of what the station can pick up. And then as we go through on a frame by frame basis, now another station is probably picking this area up. Yeah, we still have a pretty big gap in here. And again, you can see where the other station is picking that up. And I don't understand this this area that's being picked up is obviously by a station that's somewhere in this area. It's just odd how it's picking up it's the rain. And why do we have these gaps? And yeah, I do know radar does, it's not perfect. There are stations that don't work all the time. There's missing data. There's just so many clouds in this area to me. I'm sorry, not clouds, but precipitation that's being picked up by radar that is really strange looking. And strange that so many radars are doing so many funky things at the same time. I just let that storm play through. Yeah, this looks like pretty much Des Moines, Iowa, north of Des Moines, Iowa area. That's getting some precipitation. Exactly what we can't say is rain. Who knows where it's really raining? I've been through that. So that was my quick share of some radar anomalies I found. And just watching this, you use your own eyes and you'll spot all kinds of things that just look really funky. And, you know, enjoy. That's all I can say. Peace.